Model 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4 Double Cab Tdci Automatic starts runs needs turbo. Body silver 4x4. Mileage 191447. MOT the 1st of September 2025. Engine 3198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCi. Transmission automatic. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, as it is not spinning. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Fantastic spec, absolute bargain. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: